In an effort to support the St. Anne's Academic Center with textbook refunds, we're trying something new. You will be shared an Excel doc. When you click on the link or the shared Excel doc, it will pull up a live Excel workbook that looks like this, with separate sheets for each teacher in your summer school. Find your name at the bottom and complete by inputting your student's first, last name, the library barcode on their textbook, and a Y on the first day. This should be ideally done by July 5th. You'll need to complete the return column on the last day, either the 18th or the 30th. Please note that students writing diplomas can keep their textbook. Just note it in the returned. So not returned, diploma. You'll then need to print your sheet and give a copy to your summer school VP as a verification that you've accounted for all textbooks on your final day. VPs, please ensure that you collect these and return them to St. Anne's in case for some reason it wasn't saved to the shared document. To print, hit File, Print, and you can choose there which sheet you want to print. Of course, the active sheet, it's yours that you would want to print.